Hello everyone, welcome back to Stack Over Chai. Today is day 9 of our 100 days interview question challenge. Let's look at a very important Angular question. Let's go. What are the building blocks of Angular? Angular is made up of several key building blocks that work together to create powerful web applications. Let's go through them one by one. 1. Component. Components are the basic building blocks of every Angular application. They control the HTML views, handle user interaction, and connect logic with templates. 2. Modules. A module is a collection of Angular features, such as components, directives, pipes, and services. Every Angular app has at least one module called the root module, and you can create more modules to organize your code into logical sections. 3. Templates. Templates define how the view looks in your Angular application. They are basically HTML files combined with Angular syntax like interpolation and directives. 4. Services. Services are reusable classes that contain business logic or data operations. They are defined with the @injectable decorator and used through dependency injection. 5. Metadata. Metadata is used to add extra information to a class. For example, the @component decorator adds metadata that tells Angular how to use that class in a template. 6. Directives. Directives are used to modify the structure or behavior of the DOM elements. For example, *ngIf is used for conditional rendering, and *ngFor is used for looping through data. So, these are the main building blocks of Angular: components, modules, templates, services, metadata, and directives. Let's quickly recap the building blocks of Angular. 1. Component controls the view and the logic of your application. 2. Module organizes different parts of your app together. 3. Template defines how your view looks using HTML. 4. Service holds reusable logic or data that can be shared across components. 5. Metadata adds extra information that tells Angular how to process a class. 6. Directive modifies the structure or behavior of the DOM, like *ngIf or *ngFor. Together, these 6 building blocks form the foundation of every Angular application. Here's a simple example. We created a counter app using Angular's building blocks. 1. The component, app component, controls the logic and connects with the view. 2. The template, app, component, HTML, defines how the view looks, it displays the count and buttons. 3. The service, counter service, contains reusable logic to increase or decrease the counter. 4. The module, app module, brings everything together and bootstraps the app. This example shows how all Angular building blocks work together to build a simple application. That's it for day 9. Follow me for day 10, where we'll cover another important interview question. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.